We have two options in case of saving data in Excel: Save As and the Save option. We usually use Save As when we want to save a workbook for the first time and we need to rename and save it to another location. Let's try this concept in action. We have this workbook called Manipulating Data Entry in Excel. To do that, go to File and we have these options. Let's use Save As here. Here we can determine the place we want to save. Let's choose this PC. We can choose desktop, and here we can edit the file name, and the file name can be data entry and editing, and you can choose the format here, save as type. We have many lists here. We can choose any like PDF or others. Let's choose this older version if we need it. So save, click save and continue. So we edit it and save it in the older version. We can save any format we need it. To update our work from time to time, we can use the save button or use the Ctrl S in short.